This tutorial takes a more detailed look at using the karaoke system from El Scorchio. Most songs are well under an hour, but narration projects can run longer. The LRC Editor's timecode calculator only uses the minutes, seconds, and frames of the Resolve timecode. The hours are ignored. This means timestamps at or beyond the 1 hour mark will be wrong. If your project is longer than an hour, split the lyrics or narration script into sections of under an hour each. 59 minutes is a safe rule of thumb, and don't create timestamps beyond that point. After placing the fuse and lua files in their correct locations, load your audio into the timeline. The fastest way to create timestamps is with markers. As the audio plays, tap the M key and place each marker at the start of a lyric line. I'm using a scrolling title clip as a guide to make sure markers are added at the beginning of each line, not halfway through one. If you have the studio version of Resolve, using subtitles is even faster. The subtitle track shows how many subtitle clips you have. In the LRC Editor, the lyric line count is displayed at the bottom. If the two counts don't match, you have extra subtitle clips that need removing. Select any subtitle clip and in the inspector, step through the list of clips. As you select each one, the playhead jumps to its position. If a clip isn't at the start of a lyric line, simply delete it. Once the number of subtitle clips matches your lyric count, return to the subtitle timeline and run the AutoMarkers script. The script automatically places markers at the start of every subtitle clip, giving you a complete set of lyric timestamps in seconds. Now that your markers are in place, open the LRC Editor, paste in your lyrics, and click Load Lyrics. The text will appear in both the preview and loaded lyrics panes. Make sure you're in the timeline that contains the markers, then select Byline mode and click Sync to Markers. The editor automatically reads the marker positions and places the timestamps beside each lyric line. The LRC Editor also provides other ways to timestamp lines or individual words. Select Byline mode to add timestamps manually. Click the first line in the loaded lyrics pane, then press the space bar to start playback. As soon as the lyric is sung, press space again to stop. If necessary, fine-tune the playhead position with the left and right arrow keys. Click tap for line to add the timestamp to that lyric. Press space again and repeat the process until the entire lyric set is complete. The byword feature is useful not only for songs but also for follow-along narration, such as children's books. To use it, load your lyrics in the LRC Editor and select Byword mode. This adds an extra panel below the loaded lyrics pane. Click the first lyric line to load its words into the new panel. Start playback with the space bar, then stop it when the first word is spoken or sung. You can fine-tune the position with the left and right arrow keys. It also helps to zoom into the audio waveform for greater accuracy. To add a timestamp, either click Add Timecode or simply click the current word. Repeat the process until every word in the line has been timed, then continue with the remaining lines. You can edit timestamps directly in the preview pane. Remember that LRC files use centiseconds, not frames. An LRC timestamp contains minutes, seconds, and centiseconds, separated with a dot. Resolve timecode, on the other hand, uses hours, minutes, seconds, and frames. A quick way to correct a timestamp is to move the playhead to the exact frame you want. Right-click the timecode display in the top right corner of Resolve, choose Copy and paste it into the frame to centiseconds calculator. Make sure the frame rate matches your timeline, then click Calculate. You can then copy the resulting timestamp and paste it into the preview pane. Alternatively, you can take just the frame number from the Resolve timecode, enter it into the calculator, and replace only the centiseconds portion of the existing LRC timestamp. Once you're happy with the timestamps, click Save LRC, choose a folder, give the file a name, and save it. Your LRC file is now ready to use with the karaoke system. Drag your song audio onto the timeline, then add a Fusion composition and make it the same length as the audio. Select the Fusion composition and switch to the Fusion page. In Effects, go to Tools, Fuses, and drag the karaoke node into the node area. Connect it to the Media Out node, select the karaoke node and, in the inspector, browse to the LRC file you created. Adjust the font, colors, position, and any other settings to suit your project. Make sure the frame rate in the node matches your timeline frame rate. When you're finished, return to the edit page.
Neon flickers through a broken haze. You were smiling like the old good days. Your eyes caught mine across the light, and I saw the pain in your eyes.
For the byword feature, load your LRC file in the Fusion page and adjust the colors and other settings to suit your project. If you want the current word to be highlighted as it is spoken or sung, simply enable the Highlight Word checkbox in the Fusion Inspector. And that's it. I hope you find the karaoke system a useful addition to your projects. You'll find the download details in the description below. Thanks for watching.